I think the best features of Windows 7 that I've seen today is definitely the XP compatibility mode. I think it makes the transition to the new operating system a lot more cost effective and easier to roll out across the board.
The press features of Windows 7 have been quite interesting. I've had a look at Windows 7 before earlier, and I'm quite impressed with what I see. Performance-wise, deployments, and it looks very slick.
Very pleased with the event today. We had over 100 people attend today. A lot of interest in Windows 7, purely because it's faster, it consumes less power, so it's good for the environment. It's easy to integrate and it works with the existing and new applications. What Eurodata is focused on doing is helping customers migrate seamlessly to Windows 7 and making sure that the interconnectivity works with Windows Server 2008 R2 and taking advantage of all the features within that, including virtualization, desktop virtualization, UAG, which is the enabling direct access, and ongoing support and management.
Looking at Windows 7 and all of the other technologies associated with that, I think what I really wanted to say and what I really like is the fact that Eurodata for, well, at least a decade now have been at the forefront of the cutting-edge deployments, have always been the vanguard of early adoptions, of getting customers up to speed on the latest and greatest, really moving them towards a much higher level of infrastructure maturity. And that's really what we're seeing today, is the fact that customers have now, they trust Eurodata to actually deliver on these promises, and that's what makes them such a successful partner for us at Microsoft.
Yeah, we're finding that most of Eurodata's customers have got very positive things to say about Windows 7. We've got a few early adopters, and already application compatibility, which is the major concern with Windows Vista, seems to be sorted with Windows XP mode. So yeah, it's all been very positive, and lots of early adopters on the cards. The live demos I think went really well, especially the zero-touch deployment where we showed upgrading Windows XP using System Center Configuration Manager, Microsoft Deployment Toolkit, and showed us seamlessly migrating that to Windows 7. Okay, and that all went absolutely fine. No touches, so we could be sitting in the back room with our feet up while this is going on. Perfect.
The feedback from the customers about the live demo has been very good so far. Everyone's been very complimentary about it. I think they've learned a lot, and they've been asking me a fair number of questions, which meant they were listening at least, so that's good.
I found the event hosted by Microsoft and Eurodata very informative. I particularly like the demo surrounding Windows 7. Being a new user, it was nice to see what new features there were in, and then keep me up and running quickly as possible.